The next chapter in the 70-year Chevrolet Corvette history and now mid-engine Corvette journey starts here with the 2023 Chevrolet Corvette Z06. I'm Dave Jacobs at Jacob Hiers Chevrolet, and we're going to look at the next American supercar. Hand-built. The LT6 is hand-assembled by master engine builders at the Performance Build Center within the Bowling Green, Kentucky assembly plant. Builders use precision tooling and hand-fit pieces of the engine to meet Chevrolet's exact specifications. Each engine features a plaque on the intake manifold with the signature of the technician who crafted it from start to finish. Let's take a look at the engine. The 2023 Corvette Z06 debuts an all-new 5.5-liter dual overhead cam V8 engine that marks a return to natural aspiration for the track-capable performance model. A lightweight, flat-plane crank design enables the engine to rev to an astonishing 8,600 RPMs needed to create significant power. More than horsepower, the new LT6 is designed to complement all aspects of the Z06 track-focused performance experience. Wheels. The production Z06 Corvette comes standard with 20-inch front and 21-inch rear forged aluminum wheels. Available options include the more lightweight and rigid carbon fiber wheels that achieves an overall 41-pound reduction in weight and mass. Color combinations. The Z06 having 12 available exterior colors, 7 available wheel packages, 7 interior colors, 6 seatbelt choices, 2 interior carbon fiber trim packages, 6 available brake caliper colors. You could have thousands of options to make your Z06 exclusive to you. For more information about the Chevrolet Z06 and our full line of Chevrolets, come see us at Jacob Hiers Chevrolet in Melbourne, Florida, home of Warranty Forever. Thank you.